In an interview with Rappler, Pablo answers questions about Beanie and the rise of P-pop in the Philippines.
Right now, it's hard not to talk about Beanie. As SB19 had done before in the past, this year naman we saw Beanie's rise, right? So what does this say about the current P-pop scene, the industry, and its audiences, and local groups being able to compete with K-pop ones? Yeah.
Ay, masabi ko lang, the industry is thriving talaga. Flourishing. Kumbaga, papunta na tayo doon. In a few years more, malaki yung na-imagine ko for the P-pop community. For the OPM, syempre. Kasi di ba, Beanie is also making waves sa global scene. Maganda rin po yun talagang start na talagang unti-unti napapakilala na natin yung Filipino culture or Filipino music all over the world. And yan naman po talaga yung ginugol ni SB19 and syempre ni Wanzi from the get-go. So nakakatuwa na maraming groups pa ang nag-emerge, maraming groups pa ang nagtatry, and maraming groups pa ang nakikilala pa unti-unti. And syempre, it's only a matter of time for the Filipino audience to be fully accepting sa lahat ng ginagawa namin. Kasi right now, I could say na hindi pa lahat ng tao very open pagdating sa P-pop craze. Kasi iba siya yung setup eh. Dati banda-banda, nagkaroon ng hip-hop movement din dito sa atin. Ngayon naman, group naman, P-pop groups naman. So, hopefully mabigyan siya ng chance. Kung hindi ngayon, sana gradually mabigyan siya ng chance. And syempre, sana magsunod-sunod din yung mga programs supporting these P-pop para na sa ganun mas mapropel siya ng mas mataas.
They also shared the reason why their company, Onesie Entertainment, want to create a girl group and not another boy group.
So, we feel like this is the time na mag-start na kami magbuo ng girl group.
So 2021 pa. But it's always been a girl group.
Yes.
Wala naging plano na, gawa pa tayo ng isa pang boy group.
Sawa na kasi sila.
Siguro,
Iba naman.
Kasi parang araw-araw nakikita na namin yung kami lang magkakasama. Hindi naman kami lagi lumalabas ng bahay. So, hindi naman sa nakakasawa. Pero it's always nice to see new faces naman. Tsaka syempre, different ideas from, syempre, a girl. Iba rin naman mag-isip ang mga babae pagdating sa mga artsy nila, sa mga crafts nila. So, yun.
And I think for Onesie kasi it's very beneficial then for us as starting company to build our portfolio.
Yeah.
So we already have a boy group naman eh. And establishing a girl group kasi will help also to enhance yung diversity na meron si Onesie when it comes to helping talents. No? So since we already have a boy group, now it's time for us naman to learn and to get more experience naman when it comes to helping a girl group, assisting a girl group.